this. Past 3 a.m. I know that we're toxic, but I like the thrill. I'd be 6 feet under. It looks good, kill. Let's go back to where it all began and get too close as fast as we can. Dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this old record play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let this old record play. I know this gets so complicated. You lose your mind just to change it, and tomorrow you'll regret it. But until the morning, dance with me, baby, take away the pain. Dance with me, baby, you can lead the way. Dance with me, baby, a cure for the heartbreak. Dance with me and let this all play. Let it play, baby. Let it play, baby. Dance with me and let this old record play. Here one minute, gone the next. There's no heart beating inside your chest. It's vanished into thin air, never to be seen again. Never to be seen again. Never to be seen again.
Chad, baby, what is going on? I hope you guys are having a good one. Hope everyone is doing well. As you guys can see, you got basically the same duo this whole week. Got my big man Ed with me today to finish off the week. Ed, how you doing, brother?
Doing good. How you doing, Holmes?
Hey, can't complain. I'm just watching you guys. I see that is chipping a bit. Just let me know if that is alright now, how market... Okay, I can hear the music's a bit loud, I can hear that. Let me know how that is sounding there for you guys. If the music's good, if we are good, everything is good. It is Friday, guys. We are going to finish strong. It has been a W week already, so it's one of those things, you know, no matter what happens today, we're still profitable. Unless we break all our rules and take like 7 losses in a row today. We are up.
If not, why not?
But it's going to be a good one, guys. I don't know why this sounds so loud in my ear now. But yeah, we are going to see, guys. So again, we do have some news coming out. It's going to be a lot of things happening here today. We're going to see what is ready to go, what's kickstarted, everything up here. But before we do it, as always, just to get my main man doing it, because hey, it's not every day he's here with us. Edski, the Chad let me know they were such a big fan of it. So you're going to open us up with a prayer again today, brother.
Let's do it. Chad, let's open up in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, please bless what is the last trading session of the week. For some of us, this has been a good week. For some of us, it has not been as great a week. So please bless us as we endeavor into the markets one last time so that we may be proud of what we have accomplished for the week and go into the weekend, know that we did everything that we possibly could. In your name we pray. Amen.
Amen. That is beautiful stuff right there, guys. So let's get into it again now. Everything's looking good and ready to go. So again, it's Friday. We haven't done anything too crazy, but I do see some trades on the rise for us. So let's get into it, guys. Starting us off with the fundamental chats. So what are we looking at? We had a full red day. Almost just looks like red folders everywhere. Everybody gets a red folder today. But USD, that's the main event here. 4:45 PMI, manufacturing and services. Expecting manufacturing to come out an inch higher and services to also come out that little inch higher. A little bit of an interesting one is everyone today either getting mixed data or complete misses. So a little bit of an interesting one there. But obviously we do know, if we look at the dollar, what happened with obviously NFP, with CPI, all these other numbers. Dollar is looking rather good on fundamentally. Might not be on technical side, but fundamental, dollar isn't actually looking too shabby. So we're going to see what happens there if it does get that little boost and kickstarter there. Hopefully the cracker should be in and out of its trade already by that time. If not, maybe we just going to get a volume trade afterwards. So we're going to see what happens there. But let's go take it over to the charts and have a look at what is going on. So DXY, I said to the guys, we are still neutral, and that purely lines into the idea we're trading to the psychological 106. We obviously hit that target yesterday, and then the same as always, guys, we need to see if a level is holding or not, and that obviously goes down to the next candle. So today, it's all about closure today. Do we bounce off of it? Do we break underneath? There is obviously that news coming out, so again, anything can happen at this point. When we look at there still is a gap. Might be tiny, but there is still a gap to the downside. We've traded bullish perfectly up to the EQ, and then it is holding like a brick wall against the dollar right now. So is that the move? Asia lows untested. Now does dollar come in? Like I said, the other pairs, do we see actual miss on PMI, and do we see the dollar come back down for that gap fill? So going to be quite interesting there. Over on the indices side of things, we have this coming out. So now we're trading yesterday into monthly R1 all the way down, testing the weekly pivot. And the same thing I said to you guys, when you look at this, 2 things in your head should be going out as a nice alarm bell. You guys are going to see that there is a lot of buyers not allowing the sellers to take control. Again, this was the break. So what does that mean? The next candle, you need to see the retest. And right now, not holding as resistance. NASDAQ right back above that monthly R1. and if anything, going to go back for those all-time high levels. So I must say I am leaning a bit more bullish at the moment for NASDAQ. We obviously traded there, holding Asia lows, having the sweep out, testing the daily pivot, and just falling short, not giving you the grubber on the EQ, but giving us the daily pivot, and now trading bullish. Already above previous weekly high. If we hold this level again, that's at all-time high levels. Back we come for that. Then US 30. Again, very interesting. Now US 30, I am a bit more on the bearish side. First things first is obviously Fridays we do allow potential pullbacks. So as much as we are here, I think it could get a little bit choppier and messy with US 30. We are at that psychological 44,000. But also, if this is our break, we're going to take these bodily closures and we're going to see that drive for that monthly pivot. So I must say, even when we look at the 4 hour, again, looking very, very good. We said the same thing to the guys this morning. The grabber was a beautiful setup today. I didn't personally think the EQ was going to be the test. I thought we were going to get around about the daily pivot. This was this morning, traded in, came back down, then went for that daily pivot, got a little bit above the daily pivot, and then that's where it was enough. Came back down. I must say, Ed and myself were talking about 2 o'clock. I'm not sure what happened there because there wasn't really a news event at 2. So I'm thinking that's more on the business side of US 30 that caused this, because again, dollar, NASDAQ, gold, nothing else reacted, only US 30. So that must be one of the companies within US 30 that caused this break off right back down to 44 and now trading underneath it. If we stay here around this previous daily low, as I say, I am going to be looking a bit more bearish all the way back down to the monthly pivot at 43,700 basically. So that's going to be my idea here for US 30 today. Then lastly, with gold, again guys, not saying I am bullish and not saying I'm bearish, but literally neutral. We've been talking about this. Again, the weekly R1, the break again of the yearly, now having that test, failing to take it, and again trading back underneath the monthly R2. So what does that mean for me? When I look here on the 4 hour, we're trading back down. We had the retest coming here. This is now a make or break for gold personally before we have a little retracement. This morning, you guys would have heard I said once we got back above this, holding previous daily low, this is where I would have liked to buy. Again, 11.15, we hanged around for 11.30. And I said, I'm calling it. I'm not going to take something there. But again, our setup was perfect. Traded bullish and now holding that weekly R1. The idea here for me, sorry Chad, the idea here for me is always that this EQ daily pivot could get tested again. And that will be the decider. If it rejects off there, I probably am going to go bearish the rest of the day. But if it trades into this, breaks it, holds, goes bullish, then gold is back in it again. So going to be quite interesting, especially like I say, fundamentals here today. So if we do see a big miss for gold, for the dollar, sorry, then gold can have that move back to the top side, as you say, Asia highs untested. So that's pretty much everything I'm looking at for today. Big man Ed, over to you, brother.
All right. So, Chad, I am in mostly full agreement with Keegs there, but I am trying a little cheeky little chip here. I agree that, US 30 is going to be overall bearish, but because we have not seen that burst of volume at previous daily lows, I'm anticipating that we're going to have a little bit of a retrace. Maybe to the weekly S1, maybe back to Asia lows, I don't know, before we do the massive pump down to that monthly pivot. So a little bit of a cheeky one just on my DGen account. So do not copy this. It is probably wrong. But I took a break even this morning and I feel bad. So revenge trading. Okay, so that's a US 30. On NAS, nothing I want to do right now. NAS a little bit messier than what the US 30 was this morning, so no clean entry to capitalize on any of this bullish momentum. We are heading towards those all-time highs on NAS. We are really close to all-time highs, so not sure what the interim is going to be, but I'm going to wait for the 15-minute shuffle, wait for that open range, and we'll trade the Power Ranger off that when it sets itself up. But right here, there's no real entry for me to capitalize. We might see a reversal off previous daily highs because we have not seen a burst of volume on there. But 10 minutes away from the open, I'm going to rather wait. I'm already doing one cheeky trade. I'm not going to do two. And then in terms of gold, We do have Turtle Wave setting itself up, but again, because we're so close to New York Open, I'm going to wait and see what we do here, what we do around the daily pivot EQ, seeing if we bounce off or hold it, and we'll take our trade from there. So right now, neutral in most of the pairs, bearish on US 30, and just waiting to see what happens overall during the sesh. And that's me.
Oh yeah, I'm just sitting through the project you guys trade, and then you guys are gonna have my full attention again.
If this cheeky thing works out, I'm gonna be very chuffed with myself. Do I think it will? Probably not. But I'm not risking the house on this one.
Interesting today, bro. It's very interesting. I don't know how I feel about it actually. That is a very, very interesting one for today.
What's that?
Cracker.
Cracker.
Yeah. We will see what happens. Today we shall see.
Salty cracker.
Alright, let's go. It's split screen time. Nasdaq looking to put the pressure on some people here today. What you guys thinking here, Chad, with how Nas and the indices are moving? What are you guys thinking?
It always makes me uneasy when NAS and US 30 disagree this much. Makes me very uneasy.
My always thing is, you know, one of them are going to have a big move, yeah? Because either, like, for example, NASDAQ can kind of just do normal NAS moves, meaning, and carry on, let's say, bullish, and US 30 is going to have a big move to catch up, or US 30 is going to carry on this momentum, and NASDAQ's, this is the big correction, and meaning it's going to have a big drop off to catch up. So that's always interesting.
I think that PMI is going to be... I think one of them has priced in for PMI.
How's it, Oaks? The boot camp at Century City, yes. I don't know the details on there, bro.
And they should be, yeah, in the first post, yeah.
Ed, market's making you age faster, or is it just me?
Hey, bruh, the market, life in general.
Bro, he's joining with us. It might not look it, but he's also losing his hairline at this point.
Hey, guy, it's bad. It is bad.
Like that's a walk away from me. Awesome meeting. Naz is like a cat that's been... I expect USD going for London 10 a.m. open candle, 15-minute range. The problem is I can't pull up that chart right now, so I don't know what you... When you are saying that, what you are talking about.
Let me check. 10. So London Open. So he's saying a retrace back into the Asian range.
Alright. Can we just pop in on the Saturday kicks to say hi? Must I still do form? Brian, I think even if it's just the Saturday you're going to be there, for example. Like if you are going to sit down at all or whatever, then yeah, I would say just fill it out. Yeah, bro, I'd say maybe just fill it out just to be safe. Yes, I received the support reply, but there's no time when event is starting. Terry, time for the event. Keeks, time for the event. Terry asking, fill it out. Alright, there we go. That wasn't from me, that was from Mo. All of those details, I think, are either on the form or they are still coming. You piped down. The guys are being told, yeah. Alright, we've got a few minutes till market open, guys. Let's see what is cooking up here for us. Where's that market? Bum, 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 bum. Let's see, NASDAQ, are you coming to party? There'll be more mailers with details coming in the future. That is why I'm saying fill it out. There we go. There's your answer, guys. Why is the 4 hour on FP markets different to 4 hour on and they're different feeds, so they can look different. Rox is setting me up, bro. Let's see. You're already in a trade, bro.
It's about to get rough.
It's about to get rough.
Like I said, a little cheeky one. Weekend money.
Ooh. Weekend money now.
Weekend money.
Alright, guys, get ready for market open. It is going to get rough right now. Okay, where's my horn? Let's see here, guys. Let's see. And market's open. Round 10. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Oh, did that wake me out now?
Round 1, fight.
Yeah, and I'm out.
You're out.
Instantaneous. That's a young little cheeky one, though.
I'd wait for you, bro. It was like, not today. Alright, what are we seeing now in the pairs? What are we seeing? Nas looking to melt. Ooh. Let's see what these markets are going to do. Nas having that big sell-off we spoke about. Is it going to catch up to US30?
Looks like that's the plan.
Bro, is Nas literally just going to tank it now?
Gonna wait for that first 15, but then we have news. So I'm wondering what that's gonna do.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Then you start getting close to the news,
Mm.
and it's like, do I want to get caught in that?
That volatile.
No, Nas is just US30 still, I think, deciding. That's the only thing.
I think the open now is gonna be understated because of news coming out.
You're right.
I think it's gonna wait till then. Yo, I just got a hectic deja vu.
On what?
Like this whole situation. Like on stream. No, we gotta wait for news. Oh, Mo, when you're in something there.
Market open means my day is done. Crew pack boys, I know everyone just got shot. Come on. Come on, cracker.
Every time I hear the word cracker, I think of the slang term for a white person. Come on, cracker.
You know, bro, I don't even know how I should take that.
Since day one, I never think of the biscuit first.
Oh. That's actually quite funny.
Our Chad market is indecisive today. Are you going to the gym today?
I should. And you?
Yeah. Right after this, straight from here. Not keen, doing squats.
Ooh.
Brian, what you mean? What you mean by getting loose? What the streets been saying about me? Hold up, hold up.
You a bad name there.
Hey, hold up. This is news to me, guys. I am planning a very, very conservative weekend. I blew my weekend money 7 minutes ago. Did you not see? Joining a running club. I took a run for the first time in no lie. When's the last time I ran? Maybe 7 years ago. Took a run for the first time in 7 years. I'm not as unfit as I thought I was going to be. All right, Chad, some volume's coming in. $77 pip candle. I did a young, what was that first one? I think 1.5, 1.6 Ks.
Hey, the man was actually...
Hey, no, it was a run, bro. It was a run. But about a K in, that's when the hips and knees were like, listen, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Yeah. We're not used to this.
Yo, slow down, guy. Go sit down. You're gonna hurt yourself. I am not used to the split screen view. Everything is so on the right. Okay, there.
Alright, okay guys, but just to show you quickly, we actually avoided a nice loss, or avoided. So if I show you guys here now, you guys are going to see quickly, this will show you here. Okay. Alright, so guys, sorry, what I was saying there, so we avoided this. I'm going to show you guys quickly this. So we had a bar signal on the cracker. Obviously, I don't really like that signal. So we were very easy to say, listen, if we take the low option, I'm not taking that trade. If it goes above, I will take the trade. Now again, just to show you all quickly, let me just put it completely on the screen. Just to show you guys here with Project G quickly. So just to give you guys an idea, there obviously was the setup as I showed you guys, and then lower interesting one for today, but I do like the potential move up. If we break lower, I won't take the trade, but if it punches up, then I am going for it. Good management today. I hope you all listened and didn't take that trade. So again, yeah, just a nice one. Absolutely avoiding that unnecessary loss there for us today. So yeah, very, very interesting. I'm happy with that management, so we'll see what happens there now afterwards. I probably won't take some now because obviously we have news coming out in 4 minutes. So I'll wait and see what happens after news. Just got off shift. Hope you're all having a good trading day. All these news events coming out. Calculate everything. Yeah, I heard Ed is joining a running club this weekend. Hey.
Slow down, guys. Slow down. Slow down. That is not Ed's optimal hunting ground. Can't speak and run at the same time. I'm not quite there yet.
Yeah, guys. So we're gonna wait for that news event to come out. As I won't take anything now. So close to it. So we'll just wait for that.
He's hunting a Bible study.
Yeah.
Surely that's slightly blasphemous. Now, if anything, I'll hunt at the gym. There are a lot of people at the gym. It's where I'm comfy. I'll be like, hey, watch me deadlift this. Isn't this impressive? Although in my years of experience, that seems to attract a lot more male attention than anything else. You think like, oh, all the chicks are gonna dig me. Look how strong I am. None of them bat an eye. Hey, watch me watch you. Yo, Neo, can you imagine a dude with my frame on a spinning bike? And those seats were so small, man. Yo, nope. It feels like molestation. Oh, and Dio, like, that's so true. That is so true. I haven't had a single girl walk up to me and be like, "Hey, handsome," when I'm at the gym.
Alright, team. Let's see. 45. What did that come out as? 51.6. So we did come out higher for manufacturing, and the same as everything else, services miss. So mixed data.
It is a
literally
weird day.
The whole trend of today was manufacturing higher, services lower. So mixed data. So just guys, if you don't trade fundamentals, all that means is we are not going to take a trade now based off of fundamentals, because that has given us zero direction of what they want to try to do there now. So we'll just see what happens there. Yo, USD is quite extended there, bro.
Very.
You look at that, it's like
Very.
little consolidate breakaway. Nasdaq, how's that looking now? Okay, Nasdaq's responding a little bit to the news. The only thing for me, guys, with Nas is those daily pivots. That's almost some nice little equal lows there. That's a bit of a no-no. I think same thing as yesterday, guys. If we can get underneath this daily S1 with a 5 closure, we might go for that. Take a nice little rip there. What do you call a Mexican that doesn't like protein? No way,
Okay, I can get behind that.
Got a hey handsome at the gym, but it was a transformer.
I'll still take it, eh? I will still take it. I'll take the compliment.
Hey, Chad. You guys are next level.
Is that what we're calling them now? Transformers.
Whew. DXY. Yo, DXY tanking a bit from the news quite badly. Gold going bullish. Very, very interesting there. So gold and DXY playing along. Nasdaq, US30. So Nasdaq could then carry on, but US30, I just don't know, guys. I think honestly we could get it still, but for now we're so close to that monthly pivot. I think we might as well just go for the monthly pivot. Like when we're done with that, then by all means we go for the
Shaquille, what you in the buy in? Or on rather?
I hope not US30.
Because you are in for a tough time.
As long as it's not US30, bro, I think you could. Bro, you know when you want to take a trade and you sit there and you're like, I just need this 5 to close underneath. At this point, it's already like 50% to TP.
Yeah. Like as you were saying, you weren't sure about it. I was looking at that candle forming. I'm like, you're going to miss that.
Like I'm looking at guys, all I wanted was like a copy and paste of yesterday. I just wanted this 5 to give us something like this. And then we would have been in on this. Bang. Same as yesterday. Candle just above. And target the monthly pivot. Doof. That was it. That was the plan there, guys.
Like,
simple as that.
As you were talking, I was like, you were going to miss that candle.
And yeah. Because I'm not going to enter
that.
down there, guys. That's half. For example, logistically or statistically even, that's where my stop would have to be. And that just, yeah.
100 pip stop.
Yeah, that's, no. Ooh, there, Nas is turning around as well. Bro.
I had the right idea, just on the wrong pair. Should have looked at this reversal on Nas and been like, we didn't get volume at the previous daily high. It's going to tank. Oh, well.
It's all part of the game. We're going to see, guys, for me,
game.
monthly pivot though. Because now my thing is you have monthly pivot and the S2 already. So we're going to see what's going to happen here. Might get something. But then again, as I said to you guys earlier, break in. Let me actually just make this full screen here for you quickly. breaking those lows. The monthly pivot obviously is the idea, the target. That's why we're still neutral. I mean, if you look at price, that is there. But now we are also breaking underneath. So either way, two things are going to happen. We would still have a bullish move back to retest at 44,000 before we continue bearish. Or this literally is the low and we're going to now start the move back up. Otherwise, this thing is going to be aggressive and it's not even going to get to the test here and give us a bounce. It is going to drive right past it and we're going to go back down to these levels. So yeah, could get quite interesting. How you feel, Keegs, when you don't take a trade because it didn't follow all your rules, but then it goes where you said it would? Bro, that's the thing for me. I must say it is bleak. It's a little bit irritating because at this point I would have been done with that other funded account I started. But that's the thing about rules. I could have gone in, and as much as this thing is diving like this to the downside, it could have turned around and did this to my stop loss. So yes, it's all about having those entries, getting the entry, and when I don't get it, you know what, then it wasn't my trade. In the past, 100%, I'd be sitting here bleak, and then that's where I try to force a trade anywhere I can to get in the move. And if you guys have been here long enough, you always talk about, I say that there's probably one most likely optimal trade a day for a pair. And if I look at US30, this is your optimal trade. Which again, we spoke about this morning, obviously, with the grabber, stuff like that. So missing this now, trying to get in here, for example, you could now be trying to force something, get in the trade, and you're at the end of the move, where now it's either going to start reversing or it's going to just start consolidating and you're going to get chopped left, right and center. So it's part of it. But I think the biggest thing about it is, like we say, sticking to the plan, not getting emotional. It's like if I don't catch a trade today, it's not the end of the world. That's the thing about trading. I come back and the charts are still here on Monday and I take another trade. So it is bleak, but I'm not going to make me do something stupid. But it does obviously also help with, I want to say, confidence that you did call the move right. Guys, I'm going to call it a week. Love you all. Next week. Bye. Cheers, Terry. Have a good weekend, bro. Naz for me is the interesting one. Obviously, we spoke about it that if USD carries on, Naz was the one that was going to have the aggressive sell-off to catch up. And yeah, USD could just be the monthly pivot. So that could be the move over there. If this thing gets back above that S1, then maybe you could get a potential pullback move already to, as you said, to 44,000. But other than that, I won't try get in on the sell anyway. Yeah, I would never enter the sell where it's sold from. Actually, join now. Would have never. Yeah, the sells were. I think we were in agreement with them earlier. But Nasdaq, for me, the thing with Nas was there's no way I would have really taken that trade. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you. Previous weekly high, if anything, that would have been very aggressive because that was we were talking about it, but even then that was before market open, so I wouldn't have there. So yeah, that would have been the only level, but that would have technically broken a rule trading before the market open. But US30, obviously that was the call we had. So it's just part of it. Does Trump have to speak every day? Eyeball.
The man is on a mission.
I agree with it, Geeks. Yeah, so yeah, I think Jake's, you're in the same boat as me, bro. Like, it's awesome to see the markets moving, and I think this goes back to, again, guys, what we said yesterday with US30. I'm just stoked we're out of that range because now we're going to get clear movement. When you look anywhere in the charts in this past, it's not choppy, it's clear. So yeah, for me, as I say, this monthly is going to do two things now. Once we hit here, you're either coming back up for 44, or we're going back down to the next level, firstly 43, but obviously there is a potential support here at 43, 400, let's even just say. Wait, but the 15 minutes done. Where's the Power Ranger?
So we're still in the open range.
Oh, so you haven't broken out yet?
Not yet. We're
Okay. Well, it's
maybe
breaking
breaking now.
I think that breaks under that EQ, bro. You saw it as well.
That's what I'm thinking.
Because then as you spoke about earlier, those equal lows on the daily pivots, the EQ finally come into play. But if we are bearish, as we said, and this is a reversal, you're going to go for that wick fill. So I think that could be your move now.
I'm hoping.
The Vol Thunder mentioned you.
I'm guessing that's the post.
I'm also, but
But why did it mention me?
well, you are in the video.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
Did they mess it up again, bro?
Wait, is this a story or actual post?
They just posted the story. Hey, bro, I give up. We try our best, but you can't help everyone, bro.
Chan.
Guys, also please, now another thing, because I'm only seeing it now because I got flooded with these messages. Please just understand, guys. Myself and Chris are busy people. As much as we try to get back to all of your messages, it's not like we're ignoring you. We just are busy. For example, if Chris isn't even here on stream, the man is busy. So if we're not responding to your message in 0.02 seconds, don't be messaging everyone saying, please get hold of this man, get this person, answer me, we are busy, bro. We will get to the message when we can.
Is it ever as urgent as they make it out to seem?
No. Never.
People got anxiety issues.
Weekend money made. Sheesh. Well, I caught those NAS sales, but close too early. But 2% is all-time great on the day. Hey, bro. Nothing wrong with that. I'll contact support and tell them Keeks is ignoring me.
Okay, broken closed outside. And yes, don't run away now. Don't run away
I'm
now.
gonna put it on your screen, since you.
Don't
at
run
something,
away
yeah.
now.
Let's see if the Power Ranger comes.
Check how extended this bloody candle is.
Bro, okay, hold on. Serious question. So there's a blue ranger and there's a red ranger.
Red and green.
So it's red and green.
Red and green.
Okay, so where's the blue one?
There's no blue one.
So is that like V3 will be when the blue one comes?
The blue. No, if we're gonna do a V3,
Where's the black ranger?
it'll be the Black Ranger.
Yeah.
That's the one. It'll be the
Black
Black
Ranger
Ranger.
was gangster, bro.
It'll be all of Tommy Oliver's colors. It'll be green, red, and black. I'm sure there was what was the white? I'm sure he was a White Ranger at 1.2.
Okay, bro, now I'm lost.
Oh,
Now they did the,
did they post it now?
yeah.
I'll invite you to collab on a reel.
Yeah, guys, if you haven't, definitely go check out the video we just posted now. Was a very, very cool video. We put some work into. I love the cover photo they chose. It had to be that one.
I haven't seen it. Let's see. I don't like how massive this candle is. Could this candle not show? This candle is just shy of 60 pips. I don't like how big this candle is.
You got it, bro. So wait, do you wait for this candle now?
I'm waiting for this candle. But on paper, what the rule is I'm going to take the sell underneath the break of this candle with a 50 pip stop, which sounds all well and good until you realize the high of this candle is beyond where the stop is. So this thing can still dance around, retrace a little bit, retarget Asia lows, and then fall.
I'm with you.
So I'm like, I don't like how extended we are from it. So ideally what I would love is for another candle to form, also retest the range and close a little bit shy of this candle printing now.
Right, I'm with you.
Get a bit of entry. However, comma, we do have the EQ there, which is also a added confluence. So if we do close below that EQ, it's a good sign.
Yo guys, what did you guys think of the video? I see some of you guys there. Dope video. Jake's brother Craven sitting at home now. Your O's, the crafty music in the background. Let's see. Cheers, have an amazing weekend. Stay safe. Hey Dylan, cheers bro. Have a good one.
Cheers, cheers, brother.
I don't even know what this music is.
Okay, if we're going to follow the letter of the strat, then that's a confirmation to go short. I'm really hoping the next one gives us a bit of entry.
Is this like the NCS version of Taylor Swift?
I was about to ask, is this Taylor Swift? Yeah, because we also have this daily S1, previous daily, all of that to contend with just before TP. So I really want a slightly better entry. So all that stuff is more towards TP.
Hey Cam, I'm gonna hold you to that. Anyone having problems with Vol's Thunder? What problem are you having, brother? What problem you having there, bro? It won't connect. Ooh. I can't help with that one, bro. Then I don't know. I will quickly go check for you.
A little bit higher. A little bit higher. Come on. Just tap the open range one more time, man. Just a young kiss. So I can safely move this entry a little higher. Wait, let me just make sure my stop loss and stuff is in order.
Yeah, they're saying that the other brokers are working fine, but it's all under connect.
Why does this chart look so different now?
Okay. 50 Carl, do me a favor please, bro. Just send support a email just saying what the problem is. We don't have any other issues that have come through to support saying that no one can connect. But for tech to get on it, they just kind of need proof that someone's having an issue. So if you just message, just saying a quick like detail of saying like it's not working, I can't connect, my terminal's frozen or whatever the case is, then tech will look into it for you. So yeah, if you can just do that for me please, brother. Rick, bro, I see Nighbot is on holiday today. Sure, no problem, thank you. Awesome, bro. So are you in yet or literally about to be tapped in?
Not quite.
Okay.
Not quite.
I think it's the entire Vault Market server. That's what I was thinking as well, that it might be Vault Markets. Is anyone on Vault Markets at the moment that can say if Vault Markets is down? I think we might actually see a little bit of that potential pop off at that monthly pivot, because if we're watching US City, guys, it is starting to halt a bit. My trade's still frozen months. Okay, so you also having the issue.
We'll check the little equal
I
low
might
for
just
me there.
do one thing though. If it is frozen, just like either like a screen recording or a screenshot, bro. Just so that if worst case happens, we have proof that they can correct it afterwards for you. Yeah, I'm frozen too, Keys. Okay, cool. So yeah, I think
it's a common
I
problem.
definitely think it is a problem then. But then I think it might be Vault. Let me have a look here. Yeah, I think it's Vault, because my Vault market account's frozen.
We had home sales come out at 5. That's why this candle is so weird.
Yeah, okay guys, so I just had to look at quickly at my Vault markets account. It's frozen. So I think Vault's down at the moment. If you guys just also saying there's a problem, okay. Sorry guys, just message support for me please. And I couldn't set stops. Adman, that's what I'm saying, bro. So please do me a favor. Just take a screenshot or a screen recording showing that it's frozen. So let's just say if it goes against you, if you take a loss, if whatever the case is, yeah, it can get corrected.
Friday server pressure. Okay, Chad, so we're going to watch this next 5-minute candle. If we close back in the range, this invalidates this whole setup. And if it closes outside of the range and rejects the range, then we can move our stops a little bit closer to a much better entry. So this next 5 minutes is going to be critical.
What's DXY doing? DXY is making a comeback. DXY back at Asia highs and previous weekly low.
I would say that should be bearish for NAS here, but the correlation is broken down over the last while.
What did that news come out as?
Existing
home sales
miss.
Ooh. Oh, both of them.
Yeah.
And consumer sentiment miss, bro. Ooh. That is quite bearish.
That is significant.
Yeah, that is quite bearish. Yeah, so I think NAS and US City could maybe have a comeback here. It's just ironic that NAS is literally on the EQ.
I'm gonna see here. 2.5 minutes, we'll make a decision.
Hey, did that tap you in?
Not yet.
No.
And you can see why I wait for a nice little break of the lows for situations just like this.
So everything in the US needs to be revised.
Yeah, listen, from CPI onwards, the US has been taking shots.
And you know what's amazing, is so many of their things, for example, the inflation came out higher. All these things came out higher, and yet dollar was like bullish for like 2 hours, and then they just crashed again.
That's what I'm saying. Who was I listening to?
I also can't log into other account because I have more market orders set.
Ooh, that's gonna be rough.
Okay, but so the thing is, bro, if they can pick up that, as long as they can pick up one thing that was frozen, then they can, and obviously, like I said, as long as everyone's now messaging support, they can show like, listen, there was a crash or a server freeze.
Stop.
Then they know they can correct stuff.
Stop right there. Don't move. Don't move. Wait for me there, baby. Wait for me there. Wait for me there. Don't go anywhere. Don't be in a hurry now. I love how it bounced off a daily pivot again, and he's rejecting it nicely. That's a good sign. No, stop.
I wanna guys take a solid USD, but just the fact is, we at the weekly S2.
Come on, stop your shit.
To be fair, we held daily S1, so technically it should be daily S2 as well. But just the fact that weekly S2 and monthly pivots in the middle is a bit throwing me off. And it's a Friday.
You really want to go into the weekend unhappy?
Nah, I'm not gonna do that.
You want to go into the weekend crying tears?
Because knowing me, bro, I'm that guy. Like, and that is where emotion hits me. It's like I take a trade now where I'm up. It's been a profitable week. I take a trade now, I lose, and it's like I should have never taken the trade. So now, and I lost. Now I want to just make back what I lost, and then you'll lose again. And then that's where it spirals. And then
roller coaster.
Then you get home, and that's where, as I said, you could take one loss and be fine. But now I've taken 7 losses.
Yeah,
so
I hear you. It can be rough sometimes.
It's I think I might chill there now.
Okay, I'm moving my entry higher up.
We want to see the Power Ranger in action.
Okay, Chad, that's a new entry. Stop. I'm gonna move it just above the wick there, just in case.
And those trading with Volfunder, can you log into your MetaTrader?
Yeah, dude. Everything's frozen right now, unfortunately.
That's what they were asking. Yo, here comes the drop. Hey. It's a Friday and we listen to freaking dubstep. You would have seen this one coming. I always said there, but I'm still like today. I'm like, how do you dance to this?
You just bob to it.
Like, I want to see someone get down to this and not look like they're on drugs.
Crump.
Vol Funder MT5 frozen in profits, but it's not closing. Okay, guys, we established this.
With stuff like that, I'm like, were you not on the stream? Did you come on to say that?
And you know, the thing for me though is, like, I'm watching the concurrent numbers. Concurrent never dropped anymore, hasn't got up, so it's not like that's why I'm like, so if you've been here.
Like, were you not listening,
we
or?
We covered this topic. We understand, guys.
Like, I'm unsure.
It's been addressed. It's gonna get sorted out. I came in to say something.
Okay.
No, Keto, not you.
No, but he's probably just got in
in
that.
now.
Okay.
So everyone who's joining now, just tell us. Nah, bro, it's all good. Then if you obviously missed it, we are aware. Tech is on it, brother.
Like, we're just wondering, like, Joe, like we spoke about that 2 minutes ago.
Yeah, literally just before you guys were on there. He's not. Yeah. Not your guys' fault, obviously. No. We appreciate it, bro. We do appreciate the heads up. I always say to guys, end of the day, I can't remember who said it first. 50 cal said it first. We can't fix a problem if we aren't aware of the problem. So the minute we knew about it, we have tech on it now. They are trying to get to it. Obviously, from what we've seen so far, it looks like it's Vault Markets that is frozen. Obviously, they are broker, so it's causing a ripple effect over to Vault Funder.
Yeah, someone has ruined their own weekend. Someone pressed a button they shouldn't have pressed.
Yeah.
And now they gotta fix it before they go home.
No, Brenda, I'm not saying you're complaining, bro. Obviously, you're just giving us the feedback. At least it seems like USD is climbing, so hopefully still in profit. Oh, did you take a bar off the monthly pivot, I'm guessing? Because honestly, what else you would have taken a bar off of? The bot is broken. Quote my bot. Yo, bro, that the Power Ranger really makes you wait.
Sure,
eh?
my guy. The volume just died.
Yeah, even US30, bro. I mean, for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, for 30 minutes, it's been in the same range.
Like
and literally,
there was so much volatility, and then suddenly, like, never mind.
It's crazy though, bro. If you look at this chat, just so I'm gonna go split screen quickly. The fact that literally this a little bit, in a 5 minute we're looking at, like, the bodily closures is basically 40 pips. That there is 40 pips. That's almost a week's worth of trading for the 10 pip gang. Like that. That's crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna have to jet soon, gang.
Can you just do a quick another prayer? I've been so much drawdown I can take out the crown. Oh yeah, no, guys.
Okay, Jay, I'm gonna give it this next 5-minute candle, then I got a jet. And as I say that, we are activated on on the chart. Let me see if my terminal caught it. No, not quite yet.
Sure.
Not quite yet. A little bit more. I think I'm more there. Umpador. I'll give it the next 5. Yes, no, yes, no. Anyway, chat, while it's doing its thing, we're gonna go break even at a 1:1. So this will be our BE point over here. And that'll be the only point of management. Okay, I'm in.
Hey, there we go.
So we're gonna go break even when we get to 1 is to 1. And at that point, you let the thing ride. Well, I'm gonna let it ride. TP or break even.
Came to do the yearly checkup. Hey, Sayel, my brother, the Indian trader.
Hey.
Hope you're doing well, bro. I see you and me been catching the same trades lately. The man's been milking it on US study. I also want to check out that bot, my brother. I'm joking.
Go up my bot.
I'm going to equip your indicator. I hope you're doing well, brother. We must definitely meet up again when we're in Josie. We got Cape Town now, then PE, and then Joburg will be after that. So we'll definitely let you know when we're back up that side. Now you're sniffing your order there.
Oh no, it's in.
How did you set up your pivot with the pivots indicator? We use the 2Gs indicator, which has pivots in it, but yeah. Hey, there we go. My white boy. Don't worry, bro, it's fine. This white boy likes curry. Shot for the dono, my brother. Well, it's not launched yet, bro. As soon as it's launched, I'll send it your way. Yeah, definitely keen to check it out, bro. I must say, hey, like, funny enough, I've seen a few guys that have been like doing it now, which I made a video. It's actually the YouTube video that's going out this weekend for you guys, where I talk about why people are so against indicators. Like, indicators are there to help you. It's just, I don't know, for some reason people have made this thing that indicators are bad for you. But like that now, I mean, we have our own indicator. Obviously, so you made your own one now. Like, if it works built around your strategy, it's meant to make life easier. And I mean, yours looks like it's working great for you.
I think people have the wrong impression of what an indicator is meant to do. Like, it's not meant to tell you, okay, I'm selling now or I'm buying now. It's
you know what it is, eh? Mm-hmm. An indicator is the same thing as a supplement.
Yes.
It's there, but it's meant to assist with the strategy. Same as a supplement. It's not, you don't take your protein and go, no, I'm going to get my McDonald's.
I'm jacked now.
Yeah, you
Problem
need to
solved.
still be supplementing the diet.
Yeah.
So the indicator I create is literally how I trade daily. So it's just what I do, but automated now. Yeah, there we go, bro. Exactly. The man's going mechanical. I like to see that, bro. I like to see it.
All right, Chad, I need to jet. I got another thing to get to. But there's my management point. Break even at 1 is to 1. And then after that, I'm just going to let this bad boy run. I've put my alerts there. We might go break even now in the next 20. I'll give it that long.
Hey, just have a good one, bro.
If it is Friday, folks, though, so if 1 is to 1 is your cup of tea, maybe take your profits there. Call it a session. Call it a week.
Yeah.
Get your money, get out.
Guys, I think we're Big Ed's going to finish off now. We're going to call it anyway. I'm not taking anything.
Okay, not quite the BE point, but you guys know what to do. Chad, it's been fun. Love you lots. Check you next week. Adios.
All right. Okay, guys, on that note, I'm going to go full screen. Yeah, Chad, it has been a W week. A lot of good trading shown this week. We had Ed stepping his game up for you guys. We've been all over. Chris has been delivering for you guys, especially with that book map. I think there's a lot of future endeavors we're going to be doing with that, and a lot of success that can come with that. The Cracker has had a top week. Luckily, I think the one loss, I personally didn't take that trade. Yeah, we started the week with a loss Monday, and then played out our direction after that. So some of the guys had a win, some didn't. Tuesday won, Wednesday won, Thursday, and then again today we would have had a loss, but we didn't take that trade, as I showed to you guys earlier. So yeah, been a very, very good week. Can't complain. And then obviously, like even yesterday, taking just the normal trades in general that we take as well. So been a very, very good week. It is the weekend. Prodigy, guys, make sure tomorrow morning it's boot camp time, baby. So I hope you guys are going to be nice and awake. Have that cup of coffee ready for you guys. Don't be late. For the rest of you, again, go check out Instagram, go check out Vol Funder page, The Cape Town seminar is live. It's going to be happening. Book your seat. You don't want to miss out. Again, it is a lot, but it's free, as in it's that, not costing you money. But yes, we accommodate a lot of people, but there is a limit. So eventually we are going to hit a cutoff time where then we can't do anything after that. But as always, guys, it is the weekend. Enjoy it. Rest up. Use this to make yourself a better trader. If you need to journal your trades, go over what happened, what you can make better in the coming week. And we're going to see you guys same place, same time next week. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.